Hi, I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Screed. Thank you very much for your question, Barry. And that question was, we have a project in Bristol where we have 2 garages. The client would like them tiled. We have an existing concrete slab in situ, 180mm below threshold level, so we need to raise the floor level at the door threshold by approximately 160mm. Falling on a 1 to 60 towards the entrance would give us 35mm at the entrance. Is this possible with Screed? Yes, it certainly is. It's quite common to use Screed to put falls into construction. It's an ideal product. It can be formed, moulded and shaped exactly where you need it. So what you've got is you've got 160mm. So you've got to get the actual fall in, so the 1 to 60, so it can be formed and finished. You're going to give you 35 at the entrance, so you need something that can bond to the substrate at 35mm. And we've certainly got some excellent products that you can do with that. So you can use products like Ronacrete, there's Ardex products and Kerosene products, Mapai products. So there's a variety of screeds that would be able to bond to 35mm, down to 35mm. The British standard does state that traditional, such as a 1 to 4, does need to be 40mm. So you are looking at the modified products to bond down to that 35. The important thing to think about is the substrate, making sure that it's clean, free from contaminants, that it's actually dry, so there's no moisture in there, that there's maybe a damp-proof membrane underneath that concrete, so you're not getting external moisture coming in. So it's certainly possible, no problems with that type of ratio on the fall. That's a typical fall on that. So I hope that's been of some help, and I'd be delighted to help you further. Okay, thank you.